tech jobs that might disappear in the next 5 years. Imagine spending years learning a tech skill, landing your dream job, and then watching it slowly disappear because a machine can do it faster, cheaper, and better. Sounds scary, right? But here's the real question. Is your future tech career safe, or is it already on the list of jobs that won't survive the next 5 years? The tech industry has always been seen as one of the safest and most future-proof career paths. For years, people believed that learning to code, working in it, or entering the digital world guaranteed long-term job security. But something has changed. With the rapid rise of artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced software systems, even tech jobs once considered untouchable are now evolving at an unprecedented speed. The uncomfortable truth is that some roles are not just changing, they are shrinking, transforming, or slowly disappearing. This does not mean the tech industry is dying. In fact, it is growing faster than ever. But the nature of work is shifting. Tasks that were once done by humans are increasingly being handled by machines, algorithms, and AI tools. Studies suggest that nearly 40% of global jobs are exposed to AI-driven changes, highlighting the massive scale of this transformation. The key question is not whether jobs will disappear, but which ones are most at risk, and why. One of the most vulnerable roles in tech is data entry and basic administrative work.
These jobs rely heavily on repetitive tasks, such as entering information, organizing records, and processing documents. Modern AI systems, especially those using optical character recognition and automation tools, can perform these tasks faster and with fewer errors. As a result, the demand for human data entry workers is rapidly declining.
In fact, millions of such roles are expected to disappear in the coming years due to automation. This shift highlights a clear pattern. Jobs that involve routine, predictable work are the easiest to replace. Another category under pressure is basic customer support and help desk roles. Traditionally, these positions involved answering common questions, troubleshooting simple issues, and guiding users through standard processes. Today, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a large portion of these tasks instantly and at scale. Many companies are already replacing human support agents with automated systems that operate 24/7. Research shows that routine customer service tasks are among the first to be automated, especially at the entry level. While human support will still be needed for complex issues, the number of entry-level roles is expected to decline significantly. Junior-level programming and coding roles are also facing disruption. This may sound surprising, as software development has long been considered one of the most secure careers. However, modern AI tools can now generate code, fix bugs, and even build simple applications. Tools like AI coding assistants are enabling non-developers to write code, reducing the need for large teams of junior programmers. Reports indicate that AI is already changing how software development works, allowing fewer people to do more work. This does not mean developers will disappear, but the demand for basic coding skills alone may decrease. Instead, companies will look for developers who can think critically, design systems, and work alongside AI. Content writing and basic digital marketing roles are also being reshaped by AI. Tasks such as writing simple blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions can now be handled by AI tools in seconds. While high-quality, creative content still requires human input, the demand for low-level content creation is declining. Some reports even suggest that marketers and writers could face significant disruption as AI tools become more advanced. This shift emphasizes the importance of creativity, originality, and strategic thinking qualities that machines still struggle to replicate. Another role at risk is that of manual testers and quality assurance QA professionals. In traditional software development, QA teams were responsible for testing applications, finding bugs, and ensuring quality. However, automated testing tools are becoming more sophisticated, allowing companies to run thousands of tests quickly and efficiently without human intervention. As a result, the need for manual testing is decreasing. Instead, the focus is shifting toward automation testing and quality engineering, where professionals design and manage testing systems rather than perform repetitive checks. Technical support roles that rely on scripted responses and predictable workflows are also vulnerable. Many companies are integrating AI systems that can diagnose problems, suggest solutions, and even fix issues automatically. This reduces the need for human intervention in routine cases. Similar to customer support, the demand for entry-level technical support positions is expected to decline, while more advanced roles that require problem-solving and system-level thinking will remain valuable. Another interesting category is translation and transcription jobs within tech.
With the advancement of AI language models, machines can now translate text, transcribe audio, and even generate subtitles with impressive accuracy. This has significantly reduced the demand for human translators and transcriptionists, especially for basic tasks. While specialized translation that requires cultural understanding may still need human expertise, the overall number of opportunities in this field is shrinking.
Even roles like junior analysts and report writers are being affected. AI tools can now analyze data, generate insights, and create reports in seconds. Tasks that once required hours of manual effort can now be completed automatically. This has led to concerns that entry-level analytical roles may become less common as companies rely more on AI-driven insights. Some experts warn that AI can already handle tasks like data analysis and report writing, making certain white-collar roles redundant. It is also important to mention that not all job losses are immediate or absolute. In many cases, jobs are not completely disappearing, but evolving. For example, a customer support agent may transition into a role that manages AI systems, handles complex cases, or focuses on customer experience. Similarly, a developer may shift from writing code to designing systems and integrating AI tools. The future of work is less about elimination and more about transformation. At the same time, there is a growing debate among experts about how severe these changes will be. Some predict massive job losses, while others believe the impact will be more gradual. For instance, certain economists argue that AI will lead to temporary displacement, but eventually create new opportunities. This highlights an important point. While some jobs may disappear, new roles will emerge that require different skills. The biggest takeaway from all this is that the risk of job loss is not evenly distributed. Jobs that involve repetitive, predictable, and rule-based tasks are the most vulnerable. On the other hand, roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving are more likely to survive and even grow. This means that the future of tech careers will favor individuals who can adapt, learn continuously, and work effectively with AI. Another important factor is the shift from specialization to versatility. In the past, being highly specialized in one skill was often enough. Today, companies are increasingly looking for professionals who can combine multiple skills and adapt to changing technologies. If you want to stay ahead of these changes and learn which skills will actually survive and grow, make sure you subscribe because what you learn next could decide your future.